Hi everyone, my name is Steven Sung. I am the International Student Recruiter for University of Regina. University of Regina is located in the heart of Canada in the province of Saskatchewan. Our university is one of the top ranking universities in the whole country. In 2020, we will rank as the top undergraduate university in all of Canada. Canam has been our partner for almost 10 years. They have a very good success rate in terms of sending students to University of Regina, and they also have a very good rate in terms of applying for visa application. I'll be traveling to India in September to participate in the Canam fairs. I'm really looking forward to meet all of you in person. In case you can't make it, you could connect with me on the virtual format in room number 77 on a date and time that is convenient for you. Again, I'm really looking forward to meet all of you in person. See ya guys!